Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. In this video, you'll see everything I ate this week to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. Keep in mind that I am currently eating maintenance calories of about 1,800 to 2,300 calories per day. These are the meals that I'm eating for maintenance right now during my crazy busy schedule with dance picture photography and recitals and competitions and all of the other crazy that I have going on in my life right now. If you're looking for videos on what I eat when I'm trying to lose weight, I will link the playlist above. Now let's get to the food. Hello everyone, it's Wednesday. It is 1 o'clock in the afternoon and I'm breaking my fast with 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese fried in a pan, and that's going to be my first meal. Right everyone, I'm on my way to the dance studio and this is going to be my second meal of the day. I don't know what is up with the color on this thing. Weird, but I am having peanuts, primal thin bar, and keto cake like normal, and that's going to be my second meal of the day. Hello everyone, it's Wednesday night and I am having some delicious hamburger gravy over cauliflower rice with an ounce, and well actually I think he put 2 ounces of cheddar cheese on top, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, here I am at Commonwealth School and I am having a crappy lunch because I did not have time to do anything else. So I'm pretty much having all of my snackage type things. Hello everyone, it's Thursday afternoon. I am finally home from Commonwealth School and I'm going to have a real meal. I am having Quest protein chip nachos with 4 ounces of ground beef, 4 tablespoons of sour cream, 3 tablespoons of salsa, 40 grams of bell pepper, 30 grams, no, not even 30 grams. I think it was just a tablespoon of green onion and 2 ounces of cheddar cheese. Hey everyone, it's Friday and I'm running out of the house really quickly. It's almost 2 o'clock and I'm having my first meal of the day. I've got pictures tonight, so I don't even know what I'm going to be eating, so I'm eating a lot. 1 whole cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt, 2 fried eggs, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and 30 grams of center cut bacon, and that's going to be my first meal. I am eating things. I am taking pictures. This is what I am eating. Yeah. All right, everyone. It's almost midnight. I just got home from photos. I can't bear to eat anything, and so I'm just having this because I'm starving and I got to go to bed. All right, everyone. I'm heading out to my second day of dance pictures. I have a giant thing of yogurt. It's like 300 and something grams, and a primal thin bar. I'm going to try and eat this on the way, even though it's like 8 o'clock in the morning, not 9 o'clock. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what time it is. 8 o'clock in the morning, because I have no idea if I'm going to get to eat at all today. I didn't get to eat very much yesterday, so we'll see what happens. I'm having a giant Carl's Jr. burger, 2 half-pound patties, because apparently Dave thinks I'm starving to death. Alrighty, everyone, I'm finally home from dance pictures, pretty dang miserable, and I am having a New York strip, 10-ounce New York strip, and 2 cups of salad and 3 tablespoons of ranch dressing. Alrighty, everyone, it's Sunday afternoon. It's 3:30 in the afternoon, and I am finally eating my first meal of the day. Just really haven't felt like eating today, so I didn't. And I am having my typical morning breakfast. 2 fried eggs, 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and 5 pepperonis fried in a pan, and 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer. I am also making a cup of Creole brew with stevia and heavy whipping cream, and that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty everyone, it's Sunday night and I am having homemade fried wings and some cauliflower mac and cheese for dinner that Dave made up for me, and that's going to be my last meal. Hello everyone, it is Monday morning, it's 11:30 and I am extra hungry this morning, so I'm having a big breakfast earlier than normal. So I'm having my typical first breakfast, 2 fried eggs, 38 grams of center cut bacon, 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, and 4 pepperonis fried in a pan. Or is that 5 pepperonis? That looks like I must have put 2. 5 pepperonis fried in a pan. 1 cup of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange vanilla Mio water enhancer. And I will be making a cup of Creole brew with stevia and heavy whipping cream. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Monday afternoon. I'm still working on dance photos here on the computer. And this is going to be my second meal of the day. An boiled egg, 1.5 ounces of provolone cheese, a keto cake from ketocakesutah.com, and a paleo thin protein bar. I microwaved it for 10 seconds because practically the only way it's edible. They are that hard to eat, especially with braces. And that's going to be my second meal of the day. All right, everyone. It is Monday night and I am having one of my favorites. It's like Italian chicken over spaghetti squash. I've got 100 grams of spaghetti squash, 4 ounces of chicken, half a cup of Rao's marinara, and 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese. That's going to be my last meal of the day. Hello, my friends. It's Tuesday. It is 1:30 in the afternoon. I am breaking my fast with this delicious sandwich with 30 grams of center cut bacon, 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese, 2 eggs, almond flour, baking powder, cinnamon, stevia. I think that's everything. Probably forgot something again. And 200 grams of 0% Fage Greek yogurt sweetened with orange tangerine meal water enhancer. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. All right, everyone, here I am at the dance studio. It's 4:30 and I'm having my second meal of the day, a keto cake, some provolone cheese, some peanuts, and a Primal Thin bar. And that's going to be my second meal of the day. All right, everyone, it's Tuesday night and I am having homemade wings that Dave went up and fried in some oil with a little Tony Chachere's on it. And I'm going to have some Frank's Red Hots and ranch with that. And then I have a tiny bit of cauliflower mac and cheese that was left over from a few days ago. And that is going to be my last meal of the day. Well, there you have it. Everything I ate this week to maintain my weight on a ketogenic way of eating. I hope that you got some great ideas for your own keto meal plan. Don't forget to join us on Facebook. The link is in the About section below for information on how you can get started on your own ketogenic weight loss journey. Also, don't forget to check out the link for our merch store for great merchandise and also our Patreon account where you can see recipes and Tammy's Tidbit videos 24 hours before everyone else as a thank you for your donation. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. We'll talk to you all again soon.